Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This is our aftermarket report for the closing on Monday, February the 8th. We'll be looking to project for Tuesday, February the 9th. All right, a couple treats that I want to put here for one of the members in the Black Ops trading room. This is a chart of LULU, ticker symbol LULU. As you can see, the market is well in the Kumo cloud here. But an interesting thing is happening. Although the market is in a downtrend per se, because the moving averages were below the Kumo cloud here, we're managing now to turn up. The short-term moving average has crossed above the other two intermediate and long-term moving averages. Prices are trading above the long-term trend line resistance now, which is acting as trend line support. And the test now will be, can the market get outside of the Kumo cloud? Right now, we're trapped in the Kumo cloud of death. And as you know, once you're inside that cloud, the price action technically does not count. Prices will whipsaw up and down until we get a break out of the cloud or a break down below the cloud. So market's not trending at this point, but it's trying to establish something. We don't know if these two lines are just going to touch, or are we going to cross the purple line above the orange line. If this purple line crosses above the orange line, then that's going to be bullish, and that should give the market momentum that it needs to push outside the Kumo cloud. However, if this purple line remains underneath the orange line, then that is going to suggest that this rally that you've seen here is going to be sold and sold hard, and then the market should be able to crash back below $50 a share by Friday. So target for Friday here on the upside, we're looking to see if the market is going to be able to close outside of the Kumo cloud, and it's going to need to get a close somewhere in the neighborhood of $61 to $65 a share. Either that or the market's going to be weak and end up closing below the Kumo cloud here, and that's a breakdown below $53.73. Not good. You don't want to see that violated this week if you're a bull in this market. All right, let's take a look at another one. All right, this ticker symbol is McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's is still in a bull market. It's still bullish. All three long-term moving averages are pointing up. Prices are still in a bullish trend, testing this trend line support right here. If prices crash below this support, the next support is at $105.98, which is this orange trend line right here. Next support is going to be inside the Kumo cloud, just below $100 a share in this cloud right here. So the market could pull back basically $10 and still be somewhat in a bullish position. You don't want to see that. You don't really want to see this market close below this purple line here at all. You don't want to see that this week at all, because then that would basically show that the market is not finished and could be in trouble. So that's where you are in this one. All right, let's see what else we can muster up here. I'm trying to pull up some other things here. Bear with me. Okay, so here we are at let's see, support's going to be at 113.73 for McDonald's for this week. We want to stay a close above 113.73. If we do, then this market should be able to change position. But right now, it's actually showing negative momentum entering into the market. So we expect sideways to possible lower prices within the next 3 to 5 days. So we need to look out. 105.98 could be in play as we speak, because we now have a key resistance at 124.83. All right, let's move on. Take a look now at gold. All right, gold managed to get up to that $1,200 mark that we discussed in the last video. and it's looking very strong even as we do this video. We're still in good standing, even though currently the market's at 1193.40, down $4.50. It's still bullish, still strong, and we're trying to have these two moving averages cross above this orange long-term trend line into the cumulo cloud. That could give us the momentum we need to really push and catapult this up to the 1250. 1250 is now in play by Friday. We'll see if we can do it. It could be a stretch, but you just never know. Likewise with silver. Alright, silver managed to get here right here at the trend line of 1543. Again, we're trying to build support here too. New support should be around $15, which will be great. And then we don't want to see a close below that. And here we are right here below the cumulo cloud. We should be able to push upward and onward beyond the $16 mark by Friday. So that's in play. I really like to see out of the cumulo cloud at 17. That would really be amazing. And then we could really see some incredible momentum to the upside in the metals. Overbought short term, but we could be locking in a bull trend from this point. Take a look now at crude oil. Crude oil is dead in the water. Just long-term flat line right here. Not a lot of volume right here. We're just flatlining. Not a lot going on, but 27.57, that low is in play, and I suspect it will be violated and taken out. We could even touch 25.95 by Friday in crude oil. Finally, we'll finish off with the Dow. All right, the Dow is looking very weak right now. This support of 15,365 is in play. Once that's taken out, 15,285 is the next stop. I must warn you, there is no more support below these two price points. There's no key support levels if this glass floor is taken out. No support. Nothing here. None of this applies. None of this back here applies. It is not key. It will not work. If this glass is taken out, this market's toast. Dow 12,000, here we come if we crash through this floor. Especially if things speed up and momentum really kicks in and we do it by Friday. We crash and take out these lows by Friday. All heck could break loose and we could see some just incredible mind-blowing movements to the downside in the stock indexes. So there you have it. Well, you know what to look for now for tomorrow. And remember, take what you can, give nothing back. Thanks for watching.